my shovel, loving the consequence of uprooting the jungle. I'm hugging the second of Gemini to get tennis from viewing the puzzle. I don't buzz the motive, in case inside the gauntlet's hunger crawlers. I don't shrug, I study the ramifications of my shovel, loving the consequence of uprooting the jungle. I'm hugging the second of Gemini to get tennis from viewing the puzzle. I don't buzz the motive, in case inside the gauntlet's hunger crawlers. My kitchen sink leaks like you're rich and a speaker secret about the world spins, yet nobody's pledged allegiance. And why? His beaming smile knew a private agony that burns, and when the children met divinity, I sat to watch them merge. Stand up, Moni, I'm live. Y'all motherfuckers stand up. Volunteer tantrums while you're playing some vivid. Playing sympathy cards, son of misery, class in the basket cases in a classless matrix with elastic pages. Dragging a bag of lonely poem remnants, short of breath like you're short of breath. You're a portable mess, coffin bagger, spearheading, tear peddling, pretentious art critics orphans, trying to dismiss those pioneering their fortunes. Spectacle, pushing for pedagogue, lacing up paper wings, walking on stilts, talking you touch the hand of God, and I'm like, what are these evils that plague the hearts of men by sweet talking border patrol until they fold and let them in? That's your life in a basket before you can say instant classic. Like the king of the mountain requires a boost. I buried a hook in my belly just to volunteer at live bait clinics for the thrill of 9 great minutes with 18 bloody lips spitting. Beanstalk, choking out lines before the biggest flop. Walking uphill trying to get down. Prominent ghost town litigant battle. Pitch darkness where the light switch hits the artistry. Circuit board breaker. Service integrator hibernation. Money got wild shook while the exploitation incubated lovely. Wanting piggy lead a colony to comfort. Numbing up to deny the sin pins and evil needles even punctured. Till he woke to find his tourniquet still function. I don't shrug or set the ramifications of my shovel. Loving the consequence of uprooting the jungle. I'm fucking the second of Gemini till we get tennis from even the puzzle. I don't buzz the motive, in case inside the gauntlet's hunger crawlers. I don't shrug or set the ramifications of my shovel. Loving the consequence of uprooting the jungle. I'm fucking the second of Gemini till we get tennis from even the puzzle. I don't buzz the motive.
Odyssey plastic pedals warp. Black eye Mack frame, ODI long neck grips, single wall rims with the 20-inch top tube in the front,
and alloy nipples.
Yes, alloy nipples. One piece American ball bearing cranks, 32 or 36 tooth sprocket, which I want to change out. I'm not sure what the stem is, just a normal black stem. Then single cable brake route. Don't know the raise on the handlebars. Not sure where the forks are from. And that's just about it. The hub sounds pretty nice.
Ain't no sitting on the bench, you made me chuckle, child. You tell the kitchen now, miss. Recognize your life is Billy Ray for bigger fish.